Have you ever stopped to consider the importance of your kidneys? These little bean-shaped organs are the unsung heroes of our bodies, filtering out toxins and waste products from our bloodstream. Today, we're going to talk about 10 fruits that can help cleanse your kidneys, keeping them in top condition. First on our list is the humble apple. Apples are high in fiber and have anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation in the kidneys and prevent infections. These versatile fruits are also rich in pectin, a compound that can help remove toxins and waste products from the body. Next up, we have blueberries. These small but mighty fruits are packed full of antioxidants, which can help protect your kidneys from damage. They're also high in vitamin C and manganese, both of which are important for maintaining healthy kidney function. Cranberries are another great option. They're known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections. But did you know they can also help cleanse your kidneys? They do this by reducing the amount of calcium oxalate, one of the main causes of kidney stones. Fourth on our list is the pomegranate. This exotic fruit is packed full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, helping to protect your kidneys and reduce inflammation. It also helps to lower high blood pressure, a leading cause of kidney damage. Grapes, especially the red and purple varieties, are another great choice. They're high in resveratrol, a compound known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This can help protect your kidneys and support their function. Next, we have strawberries. These sweet fruits are high in antioxidants and vitamin C, both of which can help protect your kidneys. They also contain a lot of fiber, which can help to cleanse your kidneys. Oranges are seventh on our list. They're high in potassium, which is important for maintaining a healthy balance of fluids in your body. This can help to prevent kidney stones and other kidney-related problems. Eighth, we have the cherries. These small fruits are packed full of antioxidants, which can help to protect your kidneys from damage. They also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce inflammation in your kidneys. Ninth on our list is the watermelon. This juicy fruit is high in water content, helping to hydrate your body and flush out toxins from your kidneys. It also contains lycopene, an antioxidant that can help to protect your kidneys from damage. Last but not least, we have the pineapple. This tropical fruit is high in bromelain, an enzyme that can help to reduce inflammation in your kidneys. It's also high in vitamin C and manganese, both of which are important for maintaining healthy kidney function. In summary, while all fruits have health benefits, these 10 fruits are particularly good for your kidneys. They contain a range of nutrients and compounds that can help to cleanse your kidneys, reduce inflammation, and protect them from damage. So why not incorporate some of these fruits into your diet and give your kidneys the care they deserve?